Are the Stokes twins using V-bots? Let's find out. So guys, a few days ago while I was scrolling on YouTube and looking for some analytics of my favorite YouTubers, I found out that the Stokes twins got 16.6 million views in just one day, which was on June 5th. I found this very odd because usually they get around 1 million to 800k views per day. As I go to the analytics of their channel using TBuddy, the extension, Google Chrome extension, and it was on June 5th, as you can see, proof 16.6 million views. First I thought that it was something wrong with TubeBuddy, so I went to social bits and then searched their account and then found out the same result: 16.559 137 million. That means average 6 million views. On June 6th, they had, or June 4th, they had around 901 million views, total views, but now it's 917 million views. 16 million views just from one day. Even Mr. Beast don't get that type of views. He only gets around 10 million views per day, but he gets around 25 million to 24 million views when he uploads a video, which was on June 3rd, and then recently he uploaded a video. It was on June 3rd, June 1st, but 2 days, something like that, I don't know, but somehow Mr. Beast even doesn't get that much kind of views, only 10 million per day. How did the Stokes twins get that much amount of views, like 16.6 million views? Not around 1 million, it's 16.6 million views. How did they get it? In my opinion, I'm not sure, but are they using V-bots? The question is, are they using V-bots? My answer is kinda. So guys, the reason why I'm telling that is I'm not very sure whether they've got a 16 million views in just one day, or else whether it's true, because they have done over 169 videos. So, and their most popular one is a music song, and they could get around 16 million views if only they get around, they get 1 million views per video, per 16 videos, or else 500k per 32 videos. 32 videos, 16 times 2, 32, so 200k per video, that means 16 million. But they don't get those kind of views other days. That's just 1 million per 800k views. So how did they get that? It's the same thing as that, all. I'm not very sure whether they are using wavebots, but if you know that whether they are using wavebots or your opinion, please do feel free to comment in the comment section telling your opinion. But let's conclude this video saying that Stokes twins is also one of my favorite YouTubers. That's why I have subscribed to them. So I'll come back with another video about the same theme, but a different video about a different type of topic, but about the Stokes twins video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned until I drop the next video. Goodbye.
Bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.